Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my January BoxyCharm unboxing, and I know for the last 3 months I was comparing my two different accounts on BoxyCharm, my main account and then my second account, and for December I compared the regular box versus Boxy Luxe. And as of January and for the next 9 months, I will only be unboxing one box since I only have the one account now. I deactivated the other account. I'm not getting any more second box subscriptions because it was a lot of money. I just wanted to do it to compare for a couple months just to see how different the boxes were. So unless I get gifted like a BoxyCharm subscription or I somehow get BoxyCharm PR, which I doubt, like they don't even know who I am. So I hope you guys don't mind that we're just going to be unboxing one box now, and then at the last box I will decide if I want to continue with the subscription or not. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I already have my foundation and everything on. I took a look at the box already, and I have one like skincare product, but you guys will see why I'm not using it right now. But everything else is makeup-y, so I did want to see what I needed to put on and what I didn't have to put on. So I just have my eyebrows and my foundation and powder on. And this is the card for the month. The theme is breaking the ice, and on the back it lists all the products and the retail value. So the first item is not the full size, but this size is the mini, and it's also sold at Sephora, so I guess it's not like a travel like sample size, it's a mini, so I would have loved to get the full size of this because I do really enjoy this. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and that's why I didn't use it right now because it is a sleeping mask. But this is a really nice lightweight mask. It smells delicious, but I'm not going to open it yet because I don't want it to expire, and I have other skincare items I want to use up. So once I use up some other products, I will open this and use it because I'm so excited to have it. So like I said, the Glow Recipe Mask retails for $22, and it says the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acids, rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Alright, so next is this Wander Beauty product, and it's their Trip for Two blush and bronzer duo. So I only have foundation and powder on, again, and my brows. I don't have any blush, bronzer, highlight on. And this is the packaging. It feels really nice. It comes with the mirror, and these are the colors here, and it says blush and bronzer, but that's definitely a highlight shade, and I'm not like the darkest person either, but this is about my skin tone, approximately, a little bit lighter. So definitely blush and highlight, not blush and bronzer. So I'm going to apply some bronzer, and then we will go into this palette. Alright, so here's the colors again, the blush and the highlight. I mean, I guess the highlight looks a little darker, but it's still definitely a highlight, not a bronzer. I don't know. There's no way that that's a bronzer. And then this is the blush shade, and it's a nice little peachy pink blush. I like that it's not too bright. So I'm just going to take the same brush I used for my bronzer and... oh, okay. So it's actually pretty pigmented. It's not like over the top, but I didn't dab too much, and I have a good amount of color on my cheek, and it seems to be blending out, so I like that. And it's a really pretty color. It's not too bright, and it's not like too pastel where it just doesn't look good on me, and it's not too dark either where I look like a clown. So I think it's actually a really pretty color, and yeah. So now I'm going to take the highlight shade in the palette and just apply that to the cheekbones. Yeah, I'm looking in the monitor, and it's definitely much more of a highlight shade. It's not like a super blinding, intense highlight, but it's definitely not a bronzer on me. Alright, so this is the highlight on, and it's pretty blinding. I'm looking in the viewfinder, and I like it. It looks really nice when the light hits it. It's not the most blinding highlight, but it's not just like nothing either, but definitely don't know how they called this a blush and bronzer duo. Yeah. Alright. So I'm happy with that palette. It's a pretty blush color and a pretty highlight color on my skin tone, so good job. I'm not too mad now that it's not a bronzer. And it says, prepare for the perfect getaway trip for two. The soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blends seamlessly onto skin to deliver naturally glowing complexion. Add buildable warmth and a flush of color with this long-wearing sun-kissed duo. Made with a hydrating blend of mango seed butter and sunflower seed oil to help soothe and brighten. Enriched with lotus flower and sea buckthorn extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it retails for $36. So next product is the highlighter, and this is why I was hoping that the Wander Beauty product was a blush and a bronzer, not a blush and a highlight. This is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter, and this is just the box, and then it comes in this. And this is what it looks like. It's like a pinky, peachy, golden, like it just looks so pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna just do a little swatch. Please ignore this finger. The one nail literally like popped off in half, so I like took off a fake nail and I just painted the nail purple so I didn't have one like normal nail. But this is a swatch of the Too Faced highlighter, and it blends out really nicely. Look at that. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but it's right there. I might use this just to top off the other highlight so we can just see how it looks. That looks so good. I'm looking at the viewfinder and it just looks so blinding. In person it looks really good. Again, it doesn't look chalky or like textured on the skin. It's just one of those that just like melt into the skin, so I'm excited. I love highlighters, so yeah, look at that. Okay, I can dig this. This one-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant, fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance in a silky powder formula by swirling a dual-tone opalescent shades together and create an ethereal custom glow all on its own. Each highlighter is created with our unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. That retails for $36. So next was a choice item, and I picked the Ace Beauté palette, and they had a more like pinky, romantic-y one, and this is the Vintage Dawn palette. Mainly, I got the palette for this green shade, I'm not gonna lie. It was this green shade and the yellows that sold me on this palette, because yellow eyeshadow and like the musky, like army kind of khaki green shade I'm obsessed with. So this palette, so pretty, so pretty. And I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, but I've never tried anything from them, so I'm so excited to try it out. With my finger, it's really pigmented, it packed on really nicely. but I do want to try it with a flat brush. This is okay, so you definitely have to dig around in the shadow a little bit more to get good color payoff with a brush. I love doing shimmers with my finger anyways, but I did want to try it with a brush to see. And this is one I would definitely just use my finger for. So I'm going to go over it just a little bit more with my finger and just tap out any of the patchiness. Alright, so now I want to take this shade. I'm going to take that on my pinky, tap this in the inner corner. Yeah. So now I'm going to take the smaller fluffy brush and just mix the green and the yellow and just run this on my lower lash line. So I'm obsessed with this eye look. So it says, this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. And the eyeshadow palette retails for $34.99. So the last item we got is a mascara, and it's from Grande. I think it's Grande Lash, but it says Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. And yeah, it's Grande Cosmetics. And this is what the wand looks like. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this is the wand. What do you think?
Well, are you trying to bang C3PO? Looking good.
That was good.
Do you like that?
That was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks good.
You like it? Okay.
Expecting that.
I wasn't.
Yeah?
I like that. That was funny. I can't apply the mascara. I did them on the top lashes as well as the lower lashes. The wand, a little bit drier of a formula. It's not too wet and clumpy. It's a nice mascara. I wouldn't pay the full price for it, but I really don't spend money on mascara unless it's a drugstore, because I can't justify high-end mascara unless it's like a Sephora like favorites or Sephora like mascara sampler set where you could redeem it for a full-size mascara. Then I can justify like 20 something price for a couple minis and then redeeming it for a full size. But just to buy a full-size mascara, if it's more than like $10-12, I'm not gonna spend my money on it. Alright, so it says, designed by the maker of cult favorite Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, Grande Cosmetics introduces the hottest secret weapon for lashes that command attention. Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. The No Flake Intense Black formula works while you wear it, creating unrivaled thickness through key ingredient castor oil. And it retails for $25. Guys, so the total retail value for my box this month was $153.99. So definitely a good value. I love everything in this box. Alright guys, so that was it for my January BoxyCharm unboxing. Let me know what you guys got in your box. If you got the palette, what do you think of the palette? Was it just the wrong brush I was using? Does it actually work really well with a brush for the metallic shimmer formulas? Let me know. Just let me know your guys' thoughts on BoxyCharm. Have you signed up? Are you considering signing up? I do have the link if you do want to sign up down below. It is a kind of like an affiliate link. I get like a certain amount of BoxyCharm points for it. I don't get like cash in my account for it. But either way, there's my link down below if you want to sign up, or you can use someone else's or just sign up on the BoxyCharm website yourself. Yeah, great way to start off 2020 BoxyCharm. Good job. I'm really happy with everything. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.